In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to create Google Drive link to share file unlimited times. So let's say I have to share this file link. So first of all, you have to click on these three dots here. Now you will see this interface. Here you have to click on this option, share. Now you will see this interface. Here you have to click on this option. Now you will see this interface. Here you have to click on this option. Only people added can open this link. So now you have to select viewer option here. After that you have to click again in this link. Now you have to click here copy link. So that's how you can copy this file link and share any people. So that's how you can do this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.